A few days ago, I did a video on if I was starting over on LTK, what I would do, and I told you that I would choose one long form platform and one short form platform. So I asked on my community post, what long form platform will you be using to build your LTK? And a lot of you chose YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I would use YouTube to drive traffic to my LTK. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. So just like in that video where I stated that I would pick a niche and then find my unfair advantage, that would be the same thing that I would do over here when I'm starting my YouTube channel. So I would pick my niche, which will still be fashion, and my unfair advantage would still be my sneakers because I have a whole lot of sneakers. So my niche, or the type of content that I would be creating for my YouTube channel, is basically how to style outfits around different sneakers, or how to style sneakers with different outfits, that type of thing. The sneakers and the outfit is going to be my thing. Now, when it comes to the YouTube videos, there are several different types of videos that I can actually create on my YouTube channel that's within my niche. I can do unboxings, I can do a haul, I can do a comparison, I can do a tutorial on basically maybe how to tie shoelaces, or how to put lace charms on your shoe, or how to bling out your shoe, if you're into that type of thing. Like, I can do different types of videos or different topics up under that's within my niche, and that will be the type of videos that I actually create. Now, believe it or not, I used to have fashion videos over here on this channel, and that's basically what I'm going to be showing you from. But I'm also going to be showing you what it is that I would do. Like, I'm going to show you how I would upload a photo to LTK and then get those links to, put into my YouTube videos to drive traffic to my LTK so that I can make some money. If this is your first time seeing me or hearing about LTK, you might be like, girl, what is LTK? Well, LTK stands for Like to Know It, and it's an affiliate marketing platform that creators use to drive traffic to their affiliate links. And if someone buys something that the creator is promoting, that creator earns a small commission. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I already have, a few videos of, me talking about these particular shoes. These shoes that we're going to be talking about are the Avia 5000 sneakers. They are the viral sneaker that everybody gets from Walmart. They're kind of trending or whatever. I'm a sneaker type of girl. I love them. I love them for actually like walking in the park. I actually love them for wearing with my workout outfits, that type of thing. So yeah, if I can find some, I will tag it down below in this video. However, I'm going to be showing you exactly what it is that I would be doing on this YouTube channel to drive traffic to my LTK so I can be making some money. So first thing first, I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to screen record. So I'm going to put this up on the screen. Let me go ahead and do that. So first thing first, you can already see that I have 4 videos already posted. I no longer do fashion on this channel. I may create a channel where I'm just doing fashion content or whatever. I've already kind of like started my lifestyle channel, but I haven't posted any videos over there as of yet because I'm just waiting. I'm still learning more and more and more about what it is that I want to do. So the first thing that I posted was the Avia Walmart sneaker review and try on, because I had heard so much about these sneakers and I wanted to test them out. So that's exactly what it is that I did. I said, new kicks, who's this? So basically letting people know that I just got some new shoes in and I'm about to like review them or whatever. So now what I would do is, because in this video I want to be tagging these shoes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to LTK and upload the thumbnail, or I can take a picture of the shoes and upload it, however it is that you want to do it. But I've already have a thumbnail that's available for this. So that's what we're going to be basically doing. We're going to upload this thumbnail that I already have, and I'm going to upload it to my LTK, and I'm going to show you how to actually get the link. I'm going to show you how, if you already have this product on your page, how you can get the link like that. So first thing first, go to your LTK Creator app, and then you want to tap on Create. And on Create, you want to tap on Post, and then on the Post, you want to go to your library and scroll down to I like to put my stuff in collection because it's easy to actually go over and get the link or get the photo that you actually want to post. And I'm going to tap on the photo that I actually want to upload. So once I upload that photo, I'm going to tap on next. And as you can see, it's just like a YouTube thumbnail. I think that that is okay. Usually you want your picture to be like Instagram reel or something like that, but because I don't have that right now, we're just going to be using the thumbnail because maybe you're not on Instagram, maybe you don't do short form content, you just only do YouTube videos and you just only got this readily available. It's totally fine. Just moving forward, just know you might want to take pictures of the item just the regular way, you know. So next, I'm going to do next because this is just a photo. I don't have to do a voiceover or anything like that. And I'm just going to tap, or I'm just going to put a caption on basically what it is that I see. So I'm just going to put Avia 5000 sneakers. And then LTK allows you to pick 3 hashtags. Now you want to make sure you are choosing a hashtag that relates back to the photo because this will be shown up if somebody is actually, you know, searching for this. So usually they used to have LTK shoe crush, but because they don't have that anymore, I'm just going to put something about working out or something like that. So fitness goals. Maybe I'll do LTK over 40 because I am over 40. And then maybe I will do, let's see. Maybe I will do LTK petite, even though that don't have anything to do with the shoes. I'm going to say LTK petite because I am a petite woman. And then I'm going to press done. Now, if you already have this product already posted on your LTK before, all you got to do is just go to tag products and then scroll down to publish post. And then all you have to do is just search whatever it is that you are tagging. So AVF 5000 sneakers and type up search. And then whatever you have caption AVF 5000 sneakers should actually come up. So if you see the post that you have already previously posted before, you could just go ahead and just scroll to it like that. Or if you do not have this product, all you have to do is just go to brand sites. Wherever you got the item from, you want to search that store. So this is from Walmart. And then I'm going to tap on Walmart. And then I'm going to go to search product. And then I'm going to type in Avia 5000 sneakers. So that's why it's so important to remember the names of things and places that you have bought things from, because it makes it so much easier when you are, you know, searching for these items from the brand's website. Now, those are the sneakers right there. They just come in different colors. So I just go and I just slide over to the color that I actually have. And the color that I actually have may be sold out, which it is, I think. Let's see. So these are the ones that I actually have right here. They are actually sold out, but we're still going to tag it because what I know about Walmart, when they restock, and what I know about LTK, once they restock, they will send out an email letting the customer know who is interested in this item, who have, you know, like the item or whatever like that. They will send them an email saying, hey, this item is back in stock. So I want to go to select. And then I'm going to go to save to folder. Maybe this is my first time saving these shoes. And then I'm going to create me a folder called sneakers, or it can be Avia 5000 sneakers, or whatever it is that you want to have as a folder. I like to do folders because it's easy to grab those links again and you don't have to keep going to the brand website trying to find the item. So I already have a sneakers folder, so I'm just going to type in sneakers. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to press save, and that's going to put those specific sneakers into a folder. So the next time that I'm posting about these shoes, because just because we doing this one post don't mean that that's going to be it. You want to always be talking about these shoes every time you wear them, every time that you pull them out, every time you look at them. You want to be taking a photo, doing a video on them, and be sharing that link over, you know, sharing that link on your YouTube channel. So then I'm going to press add to post right there. And then I'm going to exit out of the Walmart site and just go down here to done. Once I'm down here to done, you see where it has a check box next to the sneakers. You want to go ahead and check the item because those are the exact item that I am talking about. So it's not like I'm sharing something similar. Now, because this shoe is actually sold out, what I am going to do is I'm going to tag other Avia 5000 sneakers as well. So I'm going to go back to my folder, go back to sneakers, and then I'm going to search for the Avia. And then I'm just going to tag the other ones that is here that I have also bought as well. And I'm just going to tag those on the post as well. I'm not going to check any boxes because I only share one sneaker, or one sneaker is actually posted in the photo. You don't want to be checking exact item if the shoe is not the exact item in the photo. So I'm going to put add to post. And then once this is actually done, I'm just going to go ahead and press publish. Now, once it is published, you see at the bottom it says you can copy text above or you can copy link only. I like to just go ahead and exit out of here and go to where it says share post. So I'm going to go to share post and then copy link only. And then when I come over to my YouTube channel and then I'm doing my titles and stuff like that, let's just say for instance you've already done the title, you're getting down to the point where you actually want to put your affiliate link into the description. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to show more, you're going to go to description, and then you're going to go and make section or make a little paragraph about Avia 5000 sneakers, like how I did here. I put Avia 5000 sneakers and then I have my affiliate link from that post. And then what's going to happen if somebody is interested in the item, they will be able to click on that item and go to my Avia sneakers or that post that I actually just post on LTK. Now I always like to always include my storefront as well, so that's why you see shop my outfits and then you see my LTK there, because guess what, some people may not be interested in the shoes, but they may not actually know that you got a storefront. They may be interested in something else. So let them know that you also have a storefront, and they can go and shop your storefront by you leaving your storefront down in the description box as well as all of your other storefront. Because now that's what I don't even do fashion videos over here, but I still put my LTK storefront in the description box, because you just never know who wants to support you. You just never know if somebody is actually looking for something, or maybe they like the outfit that you're actually wearing in the video at that moment and they want to get the outfit. Maybe it's posted on your LTK or something like that, and they can just click on your link and go over there. Now, another step further that I would actually do, and I'm about to just do this now, is you want to go over to this video. Let me see how I can go over. You want to go over to this video, and then you want to put the same LTK link, you want to put it in the comments. So I'm just going to do right here, Avia 5000 sneakers. And I'm just going to put my affiliate link there. And then I'm going to post it in the comments. And what's so good about YouTube now, when you post it in the comments, you want to tap on these three dots on the side and you can pin this comment. And what that's going to do is it's going to pin it at the top of the comment section. So that way people don't have to click on more to go visit your description box. They don't even have to go to the description box at all. They could just go to your comment section and actually get the link, and it takes them directly to your LTK post. So that is basically how I would use YouTube to drive traffic to my LTK. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I would use my short form platform, whatever one y'all choose. So go over to the community post and make sure you vote on that one. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.